Hirolfsberg Rongphar pen kepaklang Khasi-Jaintias and Karbis alothui Karbi Hemtun along kangpu. Karbi pen Khasi-Jaintia ang bongko ang sigachiti bokluma bangso putak rat ki pachingi pa meji aphan tokbang Hirolfsberg Rongphar pen tarli ponsi ki ramtang jak hong pai kriner ke barni silong hawra long kidu Karbi Hemtun mati Karbi ang long guest house conference hall along so along Khasi-Jaintia and Karbis balothui ingkupon. Bangso lukang puamay along aluthui sarpoman pen paim laborious manik SCM kachitong dun along manpeng aluthui aman pen Jones Intikathar IAS lapen anparta Assam University Silchar pen Devika Khar lapen Khasi Students Union Maipu KSA Silong aro Maipu joining ti Kathar atum chitong dun ti Bangso aluthui along Jasmit Khai Hinyang Bong isi RC Krung Kachirap Kido Aputak Tokbang Hirolfsberg Rongphar pen Rat Ahong Zayalong Kipachitangji Apansi Bor Iponsi Paklang Pondo Bangso Zay Mekideng Ahut Kachatong Dun Aluhi Han Karbi Poho Lapen Jamborong Pensi Archo Pondo Lapusona Porahut Karbi Khasi Lapen Jaintia Khayang Bong Kido Kitak Alamu Chi Hek Pen Jones Intikathar Han Parjupon.
Election, council election, 1955 I think it was. Then BMP contested and he won. And I think he became the CEM of United Khasi and Jaintias Autonomous Council, Autonomous District Council. Then he became the CM, so my brother also came to Shillong along with him, and he joined in St. Anthony's, and so he used to attend all the PHLC meetings. And so they started to instigate a quarrel among us all the time. And the book now going to be released deals with this. It is at Han Khatwi. Previously they call it only Khatwi. Then I researched on it. What is Khatwi? Only why Khatwi? Khatwi means 11.
Bangso pikitok pontang aluthui kachitong dun aluhi atum pen ingku ponsi bangso aluthui inglong aso khai jesemet Karbi Jaintia Khasi akhai atum aphan ko anse kinang sotma bangso budak larda kalam the than parju ponrin ti posi pirta nang pale.
So we came and picked us up and we went to a church. There are small villages like beyond the medical college. I don't remember the name of the village. It was a small village. So we went there. After the service, the church leader introduced us to all the church members. And I would say that being in an unknown place, meeting people and how they made us feel at home. So my father, he felt really safe leaving me there. And I also never felt that I was away from Shillong. For me, I felt like I was in Shillong only because the Khasi-Jaintia and Karbi were not different. We're almost the same, whether it's from our traditional attire, the food and culture.
You come to my family, you will find the same thing what the President HU has said. She has experienced. I come to your family, the same thing happens. So what is this? That suddenly everything outside is not the same. That comes only to what Mr. Khafra has outlined and what you have just stated in the books. The further point is, are we going to let them rule us, or are we going to stand up and say, our armies, our hills people armies, are what we are, and we are brothers and sisters as well. Okay, I just hope maybe we will strike at the light, and maybe in the month of January, February, maybe I will leave it to you to think about it, and I will think about it also for the next time.
News Report KTV News.